to the Cooking Hub. This is Nimisha Bhatt. Today I bring to you a summer special recipe, summer special cold drink type of recipe that is natural and homemade, and that is Aam Panna. So Aam Panna or Mango Panna is a very healthy drink, especially to cool off the heat right now that is in India. So I'm going to share this easy recipe with you guys, and it contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. So do try making this recipe. So let's get started. Today I have Aam Panna for you guys. So I just took 4 small sized of mangoes, raw mangoes. I peeled them, I chopped them into small pieces over here, and I boiled them in hot water for around 10 to 12 minutes till they were soft. So here I have the mango. Let me show you. So this mango is already cooked. As you can see, raw mango that is cooked. If you wish, you can also pressure cook it for around 4 whistles, but I just prefer boiling it in hot water for around 10 to 12 minutes, and then I've just drained the water and kept it over here. So this Aam Panna is a very simple recipe. So I have aam over here, that is raw mango boiled. I have some black pepper, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon I have roasted cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon I have kala namak or sanchar, you may say that, or black salt, some regular salt. I have a handful of mint leaves. I have 5 tablespoons, or you can use sugar according to your taste. Here I've taken 5 tablespoons, and some ice cubes. So let's go, we start quickly making the Aam Panna. So in a blender I'll be adding in the raw mango that I had cooked it. Add it. Next I'm going to be adding black pepper. Now black pepper you can also adjust according to the much spicy taste you like. Next roasted cumin. Now roasted cumin and mango are a match made in heaven. Next black salt. You can skip black salt. Personally, I love the taste of that. Next some sugar. Now here I'm using powdered sugar. You can also use regular sugar. Now for the mint leaves, I'm just going to take the mint leaves and hand chop them so that the flavor does not go while blending. So just chop them like this with the hands and add them. Mint will give this a really nice cake, a really nice fresh flavor. So just a handful of mint leaves. Next I'm going to be adding in just half cup of cold water. Adding in the water. Also water you can adjust accordingly. Now I'm going to add in a small pinch of regular salt. Just a small pinch. That's it. And I'm going to be adding in 5 to 6 ice cubes for the nice cooling effect because of the ice. Now this is ready. I'm going to give it a good mix, just a little bit of mix, and this is ready to be blended. So I'm going to blend this and I'll show you guys the next step. So now I've blended this, and let me show you guys how it looks like. So it's still thick. Now I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of water, because Aam Panna is usually served thin. It's not supposed to be very thick or pulpy or something like that. And I like my Aam Panna to have little bit of pulp. So I've not blended it like completely. I like having small chunks of mangoes and little bit of mint leaves and all that. So this Aam Panna is ready. So I'm going to serve this. So in the glass, first I'm going to be taking some mint leaves. I've washed them nicely, and I'm just going to chop them with my hands and add it here, just for that nice look. And I'm going to be adding in some ice cubes, small ice cubes. Serving in the Aam Panna. As I love the mango, I just ate that small piece of mango that I was about to garnish it. So this panna is completely ready and I've made it. It's very nice, refreshing, it's cool. It contains a lot of minerals and it also contains a lot of vitamins. It's the best summer drink. You can serve it chilled and you can also make a thick concentrate of this and store it in the refrigerator for up to 10 days and in the freezer section for up to 20 days if you've not added any water. So this recipe is completely ready. Thank you so much everyone for watching this recipe. Do try making this panna at your house and you're going to relish it. Thank you so much. Goodbye and I'll see you in my next video.